about 5 of us in this tent. And that's the kitchen. This is our third day, and we are able to sleep with this shepherd. It raining last night, and he was able to take us on his house. And now it's sunny, and you could see I had a bath in the river. It's icy, very icy, but it's very refreshing. It's the shepherd cutting the woods for us to cook our food.
Scomodo fino ad oggi. E quindi oggi, siccome hai dormito normalmente, allora ti fare vedere.
Cioè, prendi l'acqua. Kirghiz. Italia, niet. Da. Bu 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 bu.
People here lives about nearly 4,000 meters above sea level. What we had experienced, they only eat like bread and meat. They don't have fruit or vegetable. If they want some fruit or vegetables, then they have to walk at least 3 to 4 days to go down to the city. You're not allowed to get sick if you live on this mountain. Like, it's about more than 3,000 meters above sea level. Village in here, and they have an electricity. Thank you. I'm just passing by, and the woman just offering me some bread to eat and also some tea, so it's really good. I'm really hungry at the moment. It's their kitchen, and I'm going to have some more milk. I don't know where I am now. Like, my 3 companions, I don't know where they are. So at the moment, like, this woman just giving me some bread to eat and some cheese. This is my second cup, and I really appreciate that. This is for my lunch. And now the 3 Italians found me, so 4 of us now.
And Mimo was scared that we left him.
Yeah. Well, these are the family who feed us for lunch. Rashma. This formation of rocks, it looks like in Utah in America. This is inside the cave and the source of their drinking water. Going up, it's a little bit stiff, and it's hard now to breathe. We're already about 3,000 meters. After the long walk going down, it's easy for the past 4 hours, but this time it's really hard to go up. It's hardly for me to breathe now. I have to do my deep breathing exercise. One, 2, 3. That's what I need for oxygen. It's raining. It's raining outside, and we were able to get into this house. It's good that we were able to have a shelter for a few minutes before we're gonna get up to the mountain. We are making some fire for us to cook our food. Just noodles. It was raining, and thank God we're able to see this shepherd's house for us to have some rest and cook our food. So Fabio is just making us some noodles again for lunch and dinner. We're trying to fill up our bottled water on this spring. We're still gonna climb that mountain. We were a little bit lost. There's no pathway or walkway. Trying to find out the walkway to the top. You could see that's the walkway. We hope we're doing the shortcut way going up.
We're looking for the woman.
Wow, we made it.
Wow.
We saved few kilometers for going around that mountain, and we're able to find the shortcut way. Now we are able to reach about 3,900 meters. Time for us to go down again. It's about probably how many kilometers more to go to the where we're gonna set up our tent. Come in here, I think there's a shortcut one. We already walked about 18 kilometers and we have to keep going because it's already past 6 o'clock in the evening and we have to set up our tent. Now we are in the right direction.
Go Leo, go.
Oh, tu mi rovini i video, capito? Mi rovini. Qua è piano, qua c'è dei animali che dobbiamo trovare.
Yeah. There's people lives in that village in the middle of the valley. Yes.
Yeah. You take me a photo.
Yeah. We thought we were already on the top of the mountain, but we're still gonna climb another 200 high. Yeah. Now we reach the top of the mountain, so we have to start going down again. This is about 3,900 meters above sea level.
Yeah, zoom,
In the
zoom
middle of the valley.
Yeah, on the peak.
Hello! So relaxing. Can you believe that that family lives on top of the hill in the middle of the valley? Have to walk that far going down on the other village? About a day to go down to the other village. Are you serious? I thought we already reached the top and going down, but we skip going up. It's already getting dark and we didn't reach the highest point of this mountain yet. I don't know how many more kilometers to walk. It's getting dark and it's getting dangerous. As you see, the walkway is really tough.